Then we are going to construct angles. First step is we'll mark a point, we'll name it as P. From point P, we'll draw a line, a straight line. In our earlier lesson, you learned this is a horizontal line. We'll name it as PQ. Okay. Then, using the compass, now we are going to construct angles. Keep the point of the compass on point P, then draw from P, right, like this. That's the joint arc and the straight line. Keep the point there, then draw another mark here. That's the intersection there, then draw another, keep the point there, another mark, from there another mark. Right, now we can join these points from point P to here, to this point, from point P to this point, from point P to this point, from here P to this point. Then we can draw another arc. There's a intersection here. From that joint, from this point, we can make another line, right? There are 2 points there. We can draw another line there.